Réalt, the Irish word for star. I've always loved the Irish word for the Milky Way, Bealach na Bófinne, which means the way of the white cow. It is said that the Milky Way is a mirror of the River Boyne in County Meath. The river is named after the goddess Boann, and Brú na Bóinne, Newgrange, was built on the banks of that beautiful river. As the story goes, the way of the white or fair cow got its name from a cow who produces an endless supply of milk and leaves a trail of that milk across the night sky, creating stars. Réalt. Many of the star constellations have beautiful Irish names. The constellation of Leo, for example, is called An Chorán, meaning a hook or a sickle, which is a farming hand tool that I often saw in my childhood. It was used to cut hay in a field. I like to imagine sometimes our earliest ancestors looking up at the night sky when there was no artificial light, observing the universe and its magnificence, looking back at them, the wonder of it, and all the tales they told about the stars that live on in mythology. Réalt.